We got a good one for you today, folks. This crazy entitled Karen is about to push every cop's patience to the max during a routine traffic stop. She was pulled over for driving 30 miles an hour over the speed limit with a baby in the car, and then she says she didn't know she was supposed to pull over when she sees lights and siren. Right. And on top of that, she says she's a teacher. When the officer asks her for her license, she simply says no. That was the last thing she should have said. Let's get to it.
Turn your car off.
Delta.
Where are your keys?
I didn't know you were following me. I'm trying to get out the way.
No, you weren't trying to get out of the way. You just continued driving.
I didn't know you were trying to pull me over. I was just trying to get out the way. My daughter doesn't have any more diapers, and I'm just trying to go home.
You weren't trying to get out of the way. You stayed in the same lane. Did you not see my lights and sirens?
I wasn't sure if you were trying to stop me or anybody else.
Did you see my lights and sirens?
I saw your lights and sirens.
Is there a reason?
Moved out the way.
What are you supposed to do when you see lights and sirens?
Move out the way.
And what?
Just move out the way.
Pull over.
I wasn't sure if you were looking for me. What did I do?
You're speeding.
I was not speeding.
You were speeding.
No, I have my daughter in the car. I was not speeding.
You were 30 over the speed limit. You were at 75 when you passed me.
No, I was not.
License, registration, insurance.
I was not.
License, registration, insurance.
I'm sorry. I was not.
For the third time, license and registration.
No, I would like to speak to a supervisor. And I would like to record this.
You're more than welcome to.
My husband was literally right in back of me, and I was not speeding.
You passed me. He was speeding too.
He was not speeding.
For the fourth time, I need your license or registration, or I'm going to take you to jail.
You're going to take me to jail?
I'm going to take you to jail if you don't give me your license.
I have my daughter in the car. You're really going to do that?
I'm going to take you to jail if you don't identify yourself.
You're going to literally take me to jail with my 2-year-old?
I've asked you 4 times for your license. I'm going to take you to jail.
And you're going to give me a speeding ticket when I was not speeding?
I'm going to take you to jail.
I was literally doing 40.
Are you going to give me a driver's license?
No, I'm not.
Right, step out of the car.
No, I'm not.
Step out of the car.
No, I'm not.
Step out of the car.
No. You can get a supervisor.
Step out of the car.
No, I am not going to step out the car because my 2-year-old is in the car.
Step out of the car.
I am not stepping out the car because my 2-year-old is in the car. No.
Yeah, my road.
Out of the car.
No.
50. Step it up.
I would like a supervisor. Get a supervisor.
Step out of the car.
No.
You're under arrest right now.
He wants to arrest me with Cassie in the car.
Step out of the car.
I was not speeding. I was doing 40. He wants to arrest me. He wants to arrest me with Cassie in the car, and I'm not getting out the car until a supervisor's present.
Out of the car.
No.
You are under arrest.
I am not under arrest.
Step out of the car.
I have my 2-year-old in the car. You want to arrest me saying that I was speeding and I was not speeding. You had the lights on. I moved out the way.
No, you didn't.
Yes, did.
You drove.
Yes, I did.
You need to pull over.
No, you did not say pull over. I did not hear anything about ma'am or whoever pull over.
Time.
No.
Now get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
No. No. I want your supervisor.
You are under arrest.
I'm not under arrest. I'm a teacher.
Out of the car.
No, I'm not getting out the car because my 2-year-old is in the car.
Get out of the car.
No. Get your supervisor.
I'm going to yank you out
Get
of the
your
car.
supervisor.
I'm going to yank you out
Get
of the
your supervisor. You're not going to touch me. Get your supervisor.
Why?
Because I'm black?
Get out of the car.
Why? Because I'm a different color? No, you're not going to touch me. You're not going to touch me. I have my 2-year-old in the car. What the hell is it? What the hell is this problem?
Man, get out of the car.
So, can I explain something?
Out of the car.
Out of the car. You're under arrest.
No.
Man, we're going to get tased. You're going to get tased. Stop.
Out of the car.
You're going to get tased. 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 Get out of the car. You're going to get tased. Get out of the car.
I have
Get out of the car!
I
You're
have-
going to get tased!
I
Get
have
out of
my
the car!
2-year-old.
Get out of the car!
I have my 2-year-old in the car. Are you?
Stop!
No! What the hell? Are you arresting me for what?
Stop!
No! Are you the police?
Yes, you're going to jail for resisting. Stop!
I have resisted.
Stop! You're doing it right now. Stop!
I have
Think about it. We
You
don't
don't
care.
care that I
We will
have
take care of
No,
it. But you're not helping the situation.
none of you
You're not taking care of your own child by doing this, okay?
Okay.
Relax your arms,
I
and we will
am
get
trying-
you handcuffed, and then we will
I
talk.
am trying to explain to you.
If you would have just let us get you under handcuffs,
No,
then we would have done
because-
that.
If you will listen, can you listen to me?
Well, you need to relax first. You just drove more than a mile away from where you originally
If
let
you
you
want
walk.
to tell me to pull over.
So the
I
emergency
believe-
lights and siren?
Hmm.
Okay,
Right.
the emergency lights and siren. That is telling you to pull over, correct?
He did not tell me to pull over. I moved out the way. As an emergency vehicle. Please let go, man.
You're walking away.
I'm talking to him.
Keep talking to him then. You're walking away.
So you're arresting me because of what?
Ma'am, let's go to the front of the car.
Are you?
okay?
I'm sorry.
We got
Are you the supervisor?
No, ma'am. That's him right here. It's not, just
Can you please tell the other men
let
to
things
get
settle
over?
down a second, and then you
I
can
am
talk to him.
perfectly. I am perfectly fine.
Clearly not.
Before my mental health, of course.
Great, we have a kid in here now. Yeah.
I am telling you nicely. I am telling you nicely. My 2-year-old is in the car. You did not tell me to pull over.
That's what the lights and sirens mean.
I did not know that. What I assume,
So right now you're being placed under arrest for resisting and battery on a law enforcement officer.
battery,
Yeah, you punched me several times.
I did not punch you. No, I did not. Please let go of my elbow. I would like to talk to the supervisor.
But you're not.
All right, can you let go of me? And can I talk to the supervisor?
Not, but we're not letting go of you right now.
Oh my God, what the? I did not know he was stopping me.
Okay, well,
I moved out the way.
you can tell your case in court, okay? But I can tell you, if a law enforcement officer puts the lights and sirens on,
I
needs to pull over.
Can you listen to me?
I-
Can you listen to me?
I'm listening.
I have my 2-year-old in the car.
That doesn't mean
I suffer at. I am just trying to get home because my daughter does not have any more diapers.
It doesn't work like that. You have to pull over.
He did not say.
Real quick, I'm going to read you this before you say anything
No.
else, okay?
He did not.
You have
I
the right
have
to
my
remain
bachelor.
silent.
I have my
Anything you
bachelor's in
say-
criminal justice. I know what the my rights are.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
No, I
You have
want
a-
to.
ma'am, stop.
I want to talk to
You
somebody.
have the right
no.
to. You have the right to
No,
talk to a
I
lawyer
am
and have
not.
him or present while you're being. Stop.
No.
Stop.
I am trying to talk to the supervisor. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Your arms up.
You're hurting
Stop
me.
playing around and take.
You're hurting me.
We're trying to help you
You're
out.
hurting
You're
me.
comfortable now. Stop.
No, you're hurting me. I'm just trying to turn around and talk to the supervisor.
We will.
Need to relax.
So I need 3 cops to stop me? Is this crazy? I have my 2-year-old in the car.
Okay.
What are you going to do with my daughter?
We're gonna do it right now.
Knowing
but we have
family.
to-
No,
We have to figure something.
no. I'm trying to get home because you have no more diapers.
Okay, if we can't get a hold of family, then she'll go with
No,
CPS.
no, she's not going to a
I'm gonna
CPS.
read you this.
No, no. I'm trying to explain. Why are you holding my arm?
You're back in the handcuffs. Stop moving.
I'm not doing anything. You're holding my arm. Am I even doing? I'm not even moving.
Stop tensing your arms up.
I'm not
That's another
tensing my
time.
arms.
Relax.
Right now. Just relax.
How do you want me to tense my arms? I'm perfectly fine. I have not moved. You're pulling me over for what? You did not say once, please pull over. He did not care that my 2-year-old was in the car.
I know this officer very well. He would care.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he would.
No, you did
But
not.
man, we have to. When we're doing
No,
a
you did
traffic
not.
stop, we have,
When I asked
we have
you,
to do our job.
I
okay?
said, okay, my 2-year-old is in the car. And then you just automatically just said, get out the vehicle.
After asking.
Turn, you said
Ma'am,
turn
so
the vehicle.
once you're-
I'm talking to him.
Okay.
Shush. You said turn the vehicle off, correct?
100%.
I turned the vehicle off.
Then I told you why I stopped you, and I asked you
Okay.
for your license, and you said no, and
But
I
I
asked for several
needed-
times.
Someone to take my daughter.
We weren't even at that. All you were going to get was a speeding ticket, and you blew it out of proportion to this. You
No, I
escalated
did
it
not.
to this. Yes, you did.
No,
That's
I
why
did
you're in the
not.
position you're at right now.
You are arresting me for what reason?
Resisting and battering
What am
law
I?
enforcement
What am I resisting?
for failing
Because
that.
my
You're gonna punch
2-year-old
the stop and then punch me
Because
several
my
times.
2-year-old is in the car.
You still have
You
to
did
identify
not.
yourself.
Did you care about the safety and security of my 2-year-old? Yes or no?
Obviously, you didn't go 30 over the speed limit.
Well, there you have it. This Karen is absolutely out of control. Drunk driving, going 30 miles an hour over the speed limit with a young child in the car. This woman gave the officer no choices, and it shows some of the many challenges faced by officers during these types of situations and the legal implications of such encounters. This is especially difficult around kids who see one of their parents arrested. This woman says she was a teacher. I wouldn't want her teaching any of my kids. That's for sure. She has very poor decision making. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos as we make them. This is Real Talk Behind the Badge, signing off for today. Thank you and have a great day.